Number 1, Emerson Bay State Beach. This coastline is a great place to enjoy some quality family time. You can enjoy your delicious packed meals on the many waterfront picnic tables, launch a boat into the waters and teach your youngsters how to catch fish, or get a tan by the shore as your kids make sandcastles. Number 2, Big Creek State Park Beach. Big Creek State Park Beach is a kid-friendly beach destination because it features a big playground that's perfect for your youngsters, a spacious shoreline where they can make sculptures out of the sand, and sandy volleyball courts for a fun family game. Number 3, Honey Creek State Park Beach. If you're looking for fun things to do in Iowa with kids, then consider Honey Creek State Park Beach for your next family vacation. Rent a bike and teach your kids how to ride it, help them make towering sandcastles on the sandy shore, or take them on a scenic boat ride. Number 4, Lake Macbride State Park Beach. Lake Macbride State Park Beach is one of the best beaches in Iowa for kids because it features a generally flat shoreline and shallow waters that are gentle with little to no waves. There is also a roped-off area that serves as an extra precaution for safety. Number 5, West Lake Beach. West Lake Beach is one of the top toddler-friendly beaches in Iowa because it is the safest beach. This beach has alert lifeguards who are ready for anything, a separate swimming area for infants and young children, and people who check the water quality weekly. Number 6, Lake Icaria Beach. If you're in search of some of the nicest family-friendly beaches in Iowa, then look no further than Lake Icaria Beach. This beach has amenities that include many stand-up grills for cooking yummy meals, picnic tables where you can eat comfortably, and clean restrooms. Number 7, Whitebreast Beach. By spending your weekend family getaways in Iowa at Whitebreast Beach, you won't be missing being at an oceanfront shoreline because of the many fun activities that you can do with your family. Number 8, Gull Point State Park Beach. Have one of the best family beach vacations in Iowa as you spend your time in the water with your tribe doing activities like canoeing, sailboating, boating, jet skiing, power boating, and a lot more. Number 9, Kent Park Beach. Beautiful trees surround this secluded and quiet beach. Because it is not as well known as the other beaches in Iowa, Kent Park Beach rarely draws in excessively large crowds. Number 10, Ainsworth-Orleans Beach. Located within a 2-acre park, Ainsworth-Orleans Beach features family-friendly amenities like a playground for your kids, a boat ramp for you to launch your water vehicles, easily accessible and clean restrooms, and nearby picnic areas where you can eat your meals together.
Hope you like this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.